most pension funds that invest in buildings as one of their asset classes may have to have an ESG component. So what does ESG stand for? Environmental social governance, where solar and EV charging can play a role is in that environmental piece. So how can we help folks that have an ESG mandate? Well, we can do the analysis. We can work with you to understand your goals. Then we can properly size and price a solution for you, whether that's a solar array, an EV charging solution, or a battery storage solution. Then we'll work with you to quantify the benefits so you have a clear understanding of the cost and the annual benefit so you can decide if that's an investment you want to proceed with. If it is, then we can do the engineering, get the permits, build it, operate and maintain it on your behalf if you wish for, the next 10 or 20 years. So that's how we can help property managers and help developers achieve those ESG goals by being a partner that brings solutions, that speaks in plain English and makes it simple.